Tomorrow is Good Friday. What a day it will be. We can't wait until tomorrow morning to get in gear to go through our streets in Valencia and declare the gospel of Jesus Christ. We have everything in place. The only thing and only person that's missing is you. We hope you'll come join us. We start at 7, and you're wondering where we are. We're at 119 to 121 Kangley Street in Valencia. Come join us. We are waiting and accepting of you. Come, let me just wrap this up by saying, God says in Matthew 6:12, forgive us our trespasses. The rest of the verse simply says, as we forgive others. So there is a conditionality. We are forgiven to the extent we are willing to forgive. Forgiveness means that I no longer hold the issue, the trespass, the misalignment, the gossip, the whatever, the hurt, the pain, all of that. I no longer hold it against you. Somebody says, oh, but I could forgive, but I can't forget. And I always say to people, forgetting is a function of the brain. Unless you have Alzheimer's, things that hurt you deeply, you will never forget. But I don't have to hold it against you. And so our trespasses, God is not holding it against us. It means when judgment comes, he's not going to say, oh, you did that and you did that. If he's already forgiven me and I have accepted his forgiveness, because God has forgiven a lot of people, all of us, but a lot of us have not acknowledged nor accepted his forgiveness. And therefore, we have not changed our behavior. We continue to do the things that displease God. Hey, I'm saying to you, to the extent we're willing to forgive, God is adding his forgiveness to us. So when he forgives me, I turn around and forgive them who would have trespassed, who would have violated, who would have crossed over when I asked them please not to. When the sign was up, do not trespass, or trespassers will be prosecuted. They've done it, and now God has forgiven me, and I release them. I haven't forgotten, but I release them, and I will not hold it against them. And to that extent, God forgives me completely, totally. So now God is saying, I'm not just saying I will forgive you. I am demanding you forgive others as well. I challenge you. Go back and let go people from the confines of your mind and the confines of your heart and the restrictions, and you've jailed them. You've incarcerated them in your heart. I ask you to go in and liberate them and allow God to liberate you.